Hello students, now we will prove equation of the motion by calculus method. Now we will prove V is equal to U plus AT by calculus method. Since acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity, thus rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. A is equal to dv upon dt. Thus A is equal to dv upon dt. Now we will cross multiply, then dv is equal to A dt. Now we will integrate the equation from both sides. That is v u dv and A 0 t dt. We will integrate the above equation from both sides. Here lower limit is u and upper limit is v. Here lower limit is 0 and upper limit is t. Now since dv can be written as v power 0 dv, because v power 0 is equal to 1, and we know since x power n, integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here n is equal to 0. Here n is equal to 0. Then it become v power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. That is v by 1 is equal to v. Thus integration of dv is v. Integration of dv is v. Then v lower limit u, upper limit v is equal to a, and integration of dt is t. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is t. Thus here we will put upper limit minus lower limit. Also we will put here upper limit minus lower limit. That is v minus u is equal to a t minus 0. This implies v is equal to u plus a t. This is v is equal to u plus at is the first equation of motion by calculus method. Now we will prove second equation of motion, that is s is equal to ut plus half at square by calculus method. Second equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square. To prove s is equal to ut plus half at square by calculus method. Since velocity is defined as v is equal to ds upon dt, velocity v is equal to ds upon dt. We can also write ds is equal to v dt. Now from first equation of motion v is equal to u plus at. Since v is equal to u plus at, then ds is equal to u plus at dt. Now we will integrate this equation on both sides, taking lower limit and upper limit. Thus ds 0 to s, here lower limit is 0 and upper limit is s, is equal to u dt. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is t, plus a t dt. T dt, lower limit is 0, upper limit is t. Since we know, since x power n, integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Thus integration of ds is s, 0 to s, lower limit is 0, upper limit is s, is equal to u, integration of dt is t, lower limit is 0, upper limit is t, plus a. Now integration of t dt is by this equation t dt, we will integrate t dt by t power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 is equal to t square upon 2. Here value of n is 1, which is understood. Thus it becomes t square upon 2, lower limit 0, upper limit t. Now s minus 0 is equal to u t minus 0 plus a by 2 t square upon 2. A, here a. Now s is equal to ut t square upon 2 minus 0 square upon 2, because here we put upper limit minus lower limit. Thus we can write ut plus half at square. Thus s is equal to ut plus half at square is second equation of motion by calculus method. Now we will prove third equation of motion, that is v square is equal to u square plus 2as by calculus method. Now to prove v square is equal to u square plus 2as by calculus method. By the definition of velocity and acceleration, we know that acceleration is equal to a is equal to dv upon dt. A is equal to dv upon dt. Here dv is equal to this can be, we can also write a is equal to dv upon upon ds into ds upon dt, because when we cancel ds from numerator and denominator, it becomes dv upon dt. अब since ds upon dt is equal to v, then we can write a dv upon ds into v, or v dv is equal to a ds. v dv is equal to a ds. Now we will integrate the above equation from both sides by, so then v dv, here we will integrate above equation on both sides, then a ds, lower limit is 0, upper limit is s, and v dv, we will integrate v dv also by taking upper limit v and lower limit u. v dv, upper limit is v and lower limit is u. Thus a integration of ds is s, lower limit is 0, upper limit is s, and integration of v dv is v square upon 2. Lower limit is u and upper limit is v. Here we put upper limit minus lower limit, and also we will put here upper limit minus lower limit. Then it become a s minus 0 is equal to v square upon 2 minus u square upon 2. When we take LCM 2, then it become v square minus u square, and now we will cross multiply, then it become v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This can be also written as v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is third equation of motion by calculus method. Now we will prove fourth equation of motion by calculus method. Now we will prove fourth equation of motion by calculus method. Fourth equation of motion, Sn is equal to u plus a by 2 2n minus n. We will prove Sn is equal to u plus a by 2 in bracket 2n minus 1 by calculus method. Since velocity is defined as v is equal to ds upon dt, or this implies ds is equal to v dt. Now we will integrate above equation on both sides. Thus ds upper limit is Sn and lower limit is Sn minus 1. Here we will integrate vdt by upper limit n and lower limit n minus 1. Upper limit n and lower limit n minus 1, and v equal to u plus at, u plus at dt. Thus integration of ds is Sn upper limit, Sn minus 1 lower limit is equal to u dt upper limit n and lower limit n minus 1 plus a t dt upper limit is n and lower limit is n minus 1. Thus we can write here upper limit minus lower limit, Sn minus Sn minus 1 is equal to u, integration of dt is t, integration of dt is t, upper limit is n and lower limit is n minus 1 plus a, integration of t dt is t square upon 2, t square upon 2, upper limit is n and lower limit is n minus 1. Thus we can write Sn distance travel in n second, distance travel in n second minus distance travel in Sn minus 1 second is equal to Snth, and that is distance travel in Snth second. Then Snth is equal to u, here we put upper limit minus lower limit, that is n minus 1 plus, we can write a by 2 outside, here we put upper limit minus lower limit, that is n square minus n minus 1 square. Since a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, thus we can write Snth is equal to u n minus n plus 1 plus a by 2 n square minus n square plus 1 minus 2n. Here we will cancel n, Snth is equal to u plus a by 2 n square minus n square minus 1 plus 2n, that is Snth is equal to u plus a by 2, we will cancel n square, it become 2n minus 1. This is thus Snth is equal to u plus a by 2 in bracket 2n minus 1. This is my fourth equation of motion. Thank you.